Welcome to the Bible Reading Plan walkthrough. On top, we have the onboarding page. Inside, it has your written guide, and below, it has the steps for onboarding. First is to choose your reading frequency, either 5 days a week or daily. Let's choose daily. Next is to choose your start date. We can start today, next Monday, or we can set a custom date. In this demo, let's choose a custom date and select April 17 as the start date. We can click this button to go back to the onboarding page. Next step is to click this button to update the dates. You would see in the homepage your tracker, when is your start date, completion percentage, total chapters read, expected chapters read, and total chapters. Also with the status. In the Bible chapter section, you can see the chapters that you need to read for the next 2 days. As of this recording, it's now April 20, so we have 20 and 21. This also has a filter to see the chapters that are not yet read but in the past due. Those are catch-up chapters. So if we go down to the New Testament book section and click on Mark and uncheck this previous chapters, close this pane, you would see the chapters from chapter 1, Mark 1, Mark 2, Mark 3. All of those chapters that are not yet read and in the past due. They will disappear upon clicking on this status read. You can take notes inside of the chapter by clicking on it and use the SOAP method, scripture, observation, application, and prayer. You can read about it in the onboarding page. Let's click on go back. As you can see below, it has these beautiful progress bars to see your progress and to keep you in check and motivated. There's also a bonus section called topics where you can add scriptures and notes about a specific topic.